Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix HyperX QuadCast not working. So here are the steps. First, go to taskbar and search on control panel. Change view by category at the right upper corner to small or large icons. Click on power options and then click on the plan you are using. Click on change plan and then click on change advanced power settings. And on USB settings, go to USB selective suspend setting. On the setting, disable then apply. If your HyperX QuadCast is not on replugged, it is not on, replug it so it turns on. Shut down the computer and start it again, so basically restart it after you've done the steps, and that should fix your problem. And that's basically it.